Wish me luck on this one. Let's paint. Boy, oh boy, did I need some luck with this large painting. And I am going all out. I have tons of colors that I am going to put on this canvas. I am starting with a rich dark blue, and I am doing a beautiful purple. This was a commission for a friend that I have had for years for her living room. I am adding in, so there's dark purple, light purple, a super light blue, and lime green was the extra added color that I was a little bit uncertain about, but I really love how it came out. So all these colors are going to go on the canvas, and then I'm going to layer Amsterdam pearlescent paints on top. So they look white coming out of the cup, but that paint actually turns into a beautiful metallic-like color once it dries. So I try to layer them over top other colors so that your eye can perceive them when they're done. I added in a little bit of gold to this too, and I know that it looks a little bit messy at this point, and I always think that, but when I start to swipe through and then I tilt it out, it really does create just the most beautiful and interesting patterns. So now that I've got all the colors on the canvas, I am starting to swipe through with my palette knife, and down below the video I will have my supply guide. I get asked that all the time, the supplies that I use for the swipe technique. So I've got that down below. And I am swiping through these. I really wanted to have a motion going through the center and then some extra designs along the side. I still, to this day, I've been doing this for years, and doing large paintings is so much fun, but it makes me so nervous sometimes of how it's going to come out. It's just such a different process working on a bigger canvas, on a large canvas. So I am tilting this out, and don't worry about all that leftover paint. I do reuse most of it. This one's so big I have to go over to the other side of my table to tilt from the other side, because I'm definitely not spinning this one like a pizza. I would have paint all over my studio otherwise. So here we go, stretching out that last corner. And I love the motion through the center and then the extra designs on the sides. So I was really happy with this. And you can see all those pearlescent paints, they came out metallic. There is so much motion in this painting. The shine is absolutely beautiful. So many vibrant colors along with the pearlescent colors and the shine, and then the motion of the swipes. It just has a lot of interest to it. And I was very happy with the lime green. I was pleased with that. But Donna loved it, and it is hanging in her bedroom. And I was so happy with it.